In this video, you will learn how to create and verify your Bybit account, set it up, install the mobile app, and secure your funds. You are on the Oldest channel. Let's go. We will start with registration. Head over to the Bybit website using the link below this video. Why is it important to register specifically through our link? Because we are an official partner of Bybit, and by registering through our referral link, you will receive bonuses of up to $30,000 for depositing and reaching certain trading volumes. Plus, as a part of our project, you will also get free access to our Telegram channel, where our team trades live every day. And you will also get a real-time support to help solve any issues that come up. So go ahead and create your account, and make sure the referral code ODOS is entered. That's what will unlock the bonuses we just mentioned. Now, for account registration, you will need to enter your email and create a strong password. The password should be long, complex, and unique. It's best to use a password generator, which will create a combination that's nearly impossible to guess. So Bybit has now sent a verification code to our email to confirm our email address. If you don't see it in your inbox after a while, make sure to check your spam folder. It's probably there. If you're watching this video on a computer and also registering your account on a computer, we strongly recommend that you switch to your phone at this point. That's because we will need to go through the verification process, and it's much more convenient to do that on a smartphone. Let's talk about that in more detail. First, you need to download the Bybit app to your phone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are on Android. Once inside, you will land on the main page where the exchange immediately invites you to start the KYC verification process. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. This is identity verification using your official documents. I know it might sound intimidating, but don't worry, this is a completely standard procedure. It's required to prove to the exchange that you are a real person and not involved in money laundering or any suspicious. Your personal data is not shared with third parties, and the process is absolutely secure. You will land on the KYC verification page, and here you will need to tap the Confirm button. Then select your country or region and choose the document you would like to use for verification. I will be using my driver license, but you can choose any official document that works for you. You will see the instructions. The image must be clear and all information must be easy to read and fully visible. We agree to the terms and tap the Continue button. On the next page you will see photo requirements repeated. Click Next. Now place your document on a flat surface. Take a photo exactly as described in the instructions we just reviewed. Next, we need to confirm that we are a real person, live people. No additional documents are needed for this part, just tap Start. As you can see, a window opens showing your face. You need to align your face with the frame on the screen. And once it's properly positioned, the check is complete. That's it. You have done everything required. Now you just need to wait for verification, which usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Next, to secure your account, tap the profile icon, a small circle with a person in the top left corner of the screen. Then go to the security section. Here you will see all available options to help protect your account. The first thing you should do is go to the Mobile tab. You will see that the confirmation code has been sent to your email. Now enter your mobile phone number. This will be linked to your account. This is important because in case of login attempts or password resets, a verification code will be sent to this number, so make sure you always have access to this phone. Once you enter your number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code in the required field. Congratulations! You have just enabled two-factor authentication and secured your account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. And no, we are not just saying that, we really do read and reply. Don't forget to subscribe. We have got more helpful and interesting videos coming up. See you next time.